Lellobee Farm. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Everybody wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, please, please stay. Ella wants to splash and play. We'll get wet, but that's okay. Rain, rain, come this way.
Rain, rain, pour right down. Make a puddle on the ground. Pablo wants to splash around. Rain, rain, pour right down.
Rain, rain, don't be shy. You can bring the plants to life. We need water every day.
Rain, rain, come this way. Rain, rain, please, please stay on Lellobee City Farm today. We'll get wet, but that's okay. Rain, rain, come this way.
It's Earth Day. At Lellobee City Farm, we're going to show you 3 things to help look after the earth every day.
Let's clean up the neighborhood. This litter really isn't good. So pick up all the trash on the ground, collect it,
Collect it,
and throw it in the bin.
throw it in the bin.
Leftover vegetables are helpful, you know. We can use them as compost and help our plants grow. Let's go! On Earth Day, let's all join together. On Earth Day, we can make the world so much better. We live on Earth, so we need to keep it healthy and safe. Love the Earth on Earth Day.
Earth Day, Earth Day. So many ways to love the earth today. Earth Day, Earth Day. Let's love the earth every day.
Let's recycle. Take a plastic bottle
And put it in the big green bin.
in the blue bin. Put some paper.
You don't want to be a paper waster.
A cardboard box can be recycled too. Come on, everybody, you know what to do.
Let's sing our song. Come on, sing along.
On Earth Day, let's all join together. On Earth Day, we can make the world so much better. We live on Earth, so we need to keep it healthy and safe. Love the Earth on Earth Day. Love the Earth every day.
Earth Day, Earth Day. Let's love the earth in the Lellobee way. Earth Day, Earth Day. Let's love the earth every day.
We love to recycle.
We love to recycle.
We love to recycle every day. We're gonna clean up all day long. Use what we find to make a song. What you find on the ground?
What'd you find on the ground?
I found a bottle on the ground.
You found a bottle on the ground.
Well, pick it up and make a sound.
Make a sound, make a sound.
We love to recycle. We love to recycle. We love to recycle every day. Clean up the garbage all day long. Use what we find to make a song.
What'd you find on the ground?
What'd you find on the ground?
I found a broom on the ground.
You found a broom on the ground.
Well, pick it up and make a sound.
Make a sound, make a sound.
We love to recycle. We love to recycle. We love to recycle every day. It's fun to clean up all day long. Use what we find to make a song. What you find on the ground?
What'd you find on the ground?
I found a can on the ground.
You found a can on the ground.
Well, pick it up and make a sound.
Make a sound, make a sound.
We love to recycle. We love to recycle. We love to recycle every day. We cleaned up and put on a show on Lellobee City Farm where good things grow.
I got a boo-boo, I got a boo-boo, and it hurts real bad. I got a boo-boo, I gotta tell you, it makes me feel a little sad. Can a friend help me get well, so I can try again? Howdy, partner.
Accidents happen, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Accidents happen, boo-boos too. Get back on the horse and I'll dance with you.
I got a boo-boo, I got a boo-boo, and it hurts real bad. I got a boo-boo, I gotta tell you, it makes me feel a little sad. Can a friend help me get well, so I can try again? There, little lady.
Accidents happen, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Accidents happen, boo-boos too. Get back on the horse and I'll dance with you.
I got a boo-boo, I got a boo-boo, and it hurts real bad. I got a boo-boo, I gotta tell you, it makes me feel a little sad. Can a friend help me get well, so I can try again? Now you're talking, yee-haw.
Accidents happen, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Accidents happen, boo-boos too. On Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A is for apple.
Such a yummy treat. B
Is for a bumblebee.
C is a carrot.
My favorite snack.
D is a dragonfly landing on my back. E
Is for Ella.
hello, that's me.
And F is for my family.
G is for good things, growing all day.
H is for a horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. I is for Izzy, who wants a hug.
J
Is for a big old jug.
K is a cute little kitten. Meow. L
Is Letty the lamb. Wow.
M
Is for our Grandma May. And N is a nest full of fresh eggs.
O is for onion. Wanna take a bite?
P is a pumpkin.
Orange and bright.
Q is what a duck likes to say. Quack, quack.
R
Hey, Rishi.
running on a racetrack.
S is a scarecrow way up high. T
Is a truck.
driving by. U is for umbrella, keeping out the rain. V is for vegetables I eat every day. W is for worms.
Falling in the grass. X is for X-ray fish making a splash.
Y is for my cool yo-yo. Z is for zucchini. That's everything we know. If you wanna learn your ABCs, just go to Lellobee Farm, where good things grow.
part of every day is doing things the healthy way.
Brushing your teeth or washing your hands is part of such a healthy plan.
We gotta stay clean, you know what I mean?
If you want a good day, do everything the healthy way. Healthy is the way to be with your friends at Lellobee.
Being healthy can be a treat.
If you pick some healthy fruits to eat, vegetables and fruit are great. So keep these healthy foods on your dinner plate. Healthy food will keep you strong. Now sing along. If you want a good day, do everything the healthy way. Healthy is the way to be with your friends at Lellobee.
A great way to stay in shape is to exercise every single day.
You can even stay active by dancing around. You can run back and forth or jump up and down.
Come on, everyone, move your body today. We're doing everything the healthy way.
If you want a good day, do everything the healthy way. Healthy is the way to be with your friends at Lellobee. With your friends at Lellobee. Playing outside is so much fun.
But there's something that we have to do now that we're done.
Our hands are dirty, so before we eat, we have to make sure our hands are clean. Let's wash our hands.
It only takes 20 seconds.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet. Now grab the soap. Don't you forget to scrub, 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 scrub it up, up. Make a lot of soapy suds.
Now rinse, and you'll see
Your hands are squeaky clean.
If you're playing with your pet,
there is something you can't forget. Before you touch,
your mouth, eyes, or nose,
your hands need washing. You know how it goes.
turn on the tap.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet.
Get your hands wet.
Now grab the soap.
Grab the soap.
Don't you forget to scrub, 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 scrub it up, up.
Make a lot of soapy suds.
Now rinse.
Rinse.
You'll see.
You'll see.
Your hands are squeaky clean.
That's right. Everybody!
Turn on the tap.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet.
Get your hands wet.
Now grab the soap.
Grab the soap.
Don't you forget to scrub, 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 scrub it up, up. Make a lot of soapy suds. Now rinse,
And you'll see, you'll see.
your hands are squeaky clean.
That's right.
On Lellobee Farm, where good things grow.
Woo! Don't forget to dry them off with a towel.
It's such a great day for baking. Let's make a tasty cake.
We're gonna need some ingredients. Let's find some milk and then some eggs. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hopping is funny. Hop, hop, hop. Come on. Hop, hop, hop to the beat now. Hop, hop, hop.
Yeah.
Bake a cake we can eat now.
Hop, hop, hop. Come on.
We found a bright orange carrot, and now we're ready to bake.
We're gonna hop to the kitchen, where all the tastiest food is made. funny.
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, hop, hopping is funny.
Hop, hop, hop. Come on.
Hop, hop, hop to the beat now.
Hop, hop, hop. Yeah.
Hop along with me now.
Hop, hop, hop. Come on.
Hop on Lellobee now.
Well, I was playing on the swing, having fun doing my thing, when I had an accident and then I fell. I was feeling oh so sad, my boo-boo hurt really bad, but then my grandma came around, I'm here to help.
She said,
Boo, 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 don't you worry, I'm here for you. Boo, 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 you're gonna be okay. Boo, 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 boo,
I'm gonna be okay.
boo, 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 boo. Well, I was riding very fast on my scooter, having a blast, when I had an accident and then I fell. I was feeling oh so sad, my boo-boo hurt really bad, but then my sister ran so fast, I'm here to help.
she said,
Boo, 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 don't you worry, I'm here for you. Boo, 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 you're gonna be okay. Boo, 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 boo,
I'm gonna be okay.
well, I was playing on the slide. It was such an awesome ride, when I had an accident and then I fell. I was feeling oh so sad, my boo-boo hurt really bad, but then my papa and my dad, we're here to help. Yeah, they said, boo, 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 don't you worry, we're here for you. Boo, 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 you're gonna be okay. Boo, boo, don't you see, we'll help you out at Lellobee. Boo, 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 believe us when we say we'll be okay. We'll be okay. Reading a book is so much fun.
And there's a book for everyone.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life.
I love to read westerns with cowboys on the range.
Yeehaw!
Riding round on horses is the cowboy way.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life.
I love adventures with dragons in the sky, flying over castles, looking down from way up high.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life. I love books about space and rockets in the stars. It's time to blast off for a flight to Mars. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Try another book and you will find a story comes to life.
Fairy tales are the stories for me. Skipping through the forest with birdies in the trees.
Open up a book and you will find a story comes to life. There are books for everyone.
I can't wait until tomorrow when we read a different one.
We can read every day and every night on Lellobee City Farm, where books come to life.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But only 4 little ducks came back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
came back.
1, 2, 3.
3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But only 2 little ducks came back.
1, 2.
2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But only 1 little duck came back.
1.
1 little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But none of the ducks came back. Sad Mother duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
And all of her ducks came back.
Another sunny day at Lellobee Farm. Lellobee Farm. Lellobee Farm.
Everybody join and sing along where little ducks grow. On the farm the fruit is ripe.
Yes, it's harvest time.
Will you shake a tree with me
To see what we can find.
There's an apple. I can't wait.
sit on my dinner plate?
Don't forget, at harvest time we have to share. What's yours is mine.
Shake, shake the tree.
Shake, shake the tree.
An apple for you.
An apple for me.
Won't you shake a tree with me so we can eat all day?
How about an orange?
Big and bright. I've never seen such a tasty sight. Don't forget, at harvest time we have to share.
What's yours is mine. Shake, shake the tree.
Shake, shake the tree. An orange for you. An orange for me.
On the farm the fruit is ripe. Yes, it's harvest time.
Look, bananas.
They really grew.
I'm gonna eat them all like monkeys do.
Don't forget, at harvest time we have to share. What's yours is mine.
Shake, shake the tree.
Shake, shake the tree.
A banana for you.
A banana for me. Won't you shake a tree with me to see what we can find?
Look at those cherries.
Oh, so sweet.
Let's shake the tree so I can eat.
Don't forget, at harvest time we have to share. What's yours is mine.
Shake, shake the tree.
Shake, shake the tree.
A cherry for you.
A cherry for me. Food is for sharing with everyone. On Lellobee Farm, where sharing is fun.
Little one, it's time for lunch. Vegetables are yummy, crunch, crunch, crunch. Do you like carrots?
No, no, no.
You don't like carrots?
No, no, no. I'm crunchy. I'm sweet. I'm so healthy.
Vegetables are yummy, give it a try, you'll see. Do you like carrots?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like carrots?
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you like cabbage?
No, no, no.
You don't like cabbage?
No, no, no. I'm purple. I crunch. I'm lots of fun to lunch. Vegetables are yummy. Won't you have some for lunch?
Do you like cabbage?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like cabbage?
Yes, yes,
Little one, it's time for lunch. Vegetables are yummy, crunch, crunch, crunch. Do you like broccoli?
No, no, no.
You don't like broccoli?
No, no, no. I'm tasty. I'm great. I'm so healthy. Vegetables are yummy. Give it a try. You'll see.
Do you like broccoli?
Yes, yes, yes.
You really like broccoli?
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you like potatoes?
No, no, no.
You don't like potatoes?
No, no, no. I'm tasty. I'm sweet. I'm so healthy. Vegetables are yummy. Give it a try. You'll see.
Do you like eyes on me. I'll make a move and you'll repeat. Let's do the buzzy bee by waving our arms.
Buzzy bee, buzzy bee.
Pretend you have wings and buzzy buzz with me.
Buzzy bee, buzzy bee.
Active, let's get active, active. Let's exercise.
Let's do a frog leap with our bouncy legs.
Frog leap, frog leap.
You can leap so high that you touch the sky.
Frog leap, frog leap. Active, let's get active, active. Let's exercise.
Let's do a star jump using all our might.
Star jump, star jump.
You look like a star shining oh so bright.
Star jump, star jump.
Hey, everybody, you did so well.
You all got stronger, I can tell.
Now you know how to exercise.
So let's stay active, you and I.
On Lellobee City Farm, we exercise. Do-do-do-do-do, the penguin boogie. Do-do-do-do-do, the penguin boogie.
Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie?
Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, let's go.
Right flipper.
Right flipper,
Yeah, that's right. Right flipper.
right flipper.
We can do it all day and night. Come on.
This is the penguin boogie.
Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie? Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, let's add a flipper. Right flipper.
Right flipper,
Left flipper.
left flipper.
Start with the right flipper.
Right flipper,
Now the left flipper.
left flipper.
This is the penguin boogie.
Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie?
Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, let's add the feet.
Right flipper.
Right flipper,
Left flipper.
left flipper.
Right foot.
Right foot,
And left foot.
left foot.
This is the penguin boogie. Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie? Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, just one more step.
Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot.
Now turn around.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around. Turn around.
Now you know the penguin boogie on Lellobee Farm, where penguins like to dance.
I'm getting clean in the big bathtub. Wash my face like scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub some more. I've never seen so many bubbles before. Popping bubbles. Pop, 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 popping bubbles. Pop, 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 popping bubbles. It's fun while you're taking a bath. I'm getting clean in the big bathtub. Wash my arms like scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub a dub. So many bubbles filling up the tub. Popping bubbles. Pop, 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 popping bubbles. Pop, 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 popping bubbles. It's fun while you're taking a bath. I'm getting clean in the big bathtub. Wash my legs like scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub till they're clean. Then we'll pop some bubbles, yeah, you know what I mean. We're popping bubbles. Pop, 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 popping bubbles. Pop, 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 popping bubbles. It's fun while you're taking a bath. I'm getting clean in the big bathtub. Wash my feet
two,
Wahoo!
3,
Wow!
4,
Beep, beep, beep.
5,
Wow!
6,
Whee!
7, 8, 9, 10.
Wahoo!
1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses. 10 little buses.
Ah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses. 10 little buses.